Starting out the day with a broke grindstone. First point, got a broke birdie. Missing the tip in one of the ears, but I like it. Got a broke Perdez over here. Would have been a really good one. Well, I haven't found much lately. A couple tips. Tooth. Just found the shell with a hole in it. It's not perfectly round like it was drilled, but I didn't do it. Looks like a little triangle point. Went a whole screen without finding anything. Just found this. Not too exciting, but it's a point nonetheless. Got an antler tip in here. Got a hole in the tip. Thought it was a broke point, but it's just a rock. It's not flint, it's not work, nothing. Fooled me. See, we got a big old square quartz grindstone. So what it is, got a little old break in there. It's pretty cool though. Nice and smooth. Got a little triangle, but I nicked the tip a little bit. I just barely got the tip in there. Part of a chopper. Pretty cool little find. Like a scraper on that edge. And on that edge it's worked down kind of like a knife cutting edge. That's a little multi-tool, I guess you'd say. That would have been a crooked triangle point. Maybe it would have been a corner chain, but they never got to make the notches in it. That'd be sick. I want one. See what we got here. Scraper of sorts. It's pretty cool. So here's what we got. We got that cool little multi-tool. See the flakes right there on the edge. It's worked down to a scraper right there. Nice little triangle tip, edge of a scraper. One of those concave pieces. Broke base tip, some teeth. Deer antler. A little hole in the tip. It's pretty cool. Nice little bird point. I like that white spot in the middle, that's pretty sweet. Nice little Perdez. That one triangle, I took the tip off, just the edge of it though. This cool piece. I don't know if you can see the yellow bands in there or not, but it's pretty sweet. Not great quality. It's a pretty cool scraper. Get the focus. Work down on that edge. Another piece of shell with a hole in it. Doesn't exactly look like it's drilled, but there's a hole there that's been there for a while. That's what we got.